Before moving out, cancel or transfer your subscriptions, supply contracts, gas, electricity, and phone subscriptions. When you decide to let your child go to the same school after moving out, you just have to give your new address to the school. But when moving out requires to enroll your child in another school, it is important to take care of it as soon as possible. When you move out during the school year, your child is not obliged to go to another school. You must only submit a written request. The Service de l'Enseignement takes care of foreign pupils' schooling. Firstly, the Service de l'Enseignement temporarily assigns them to a class. After having analyzed the results of some tests and foreign pupils' files, the Service de l'Enseignement sets up a personalized training plan which will be introduced to parents. Foreign pupils are then definitively enrolled in the Luxembourgish education system and assigned to the appropriate class. The cellule d'accueil scolaire pour élèves nouveaux arrivants is addressed to foreign pupils from 12 to 17 years old. They move to Luxembourg and wish to pursue studies in the Luxembourgish post-primary education system. The cellule d'accueil scolaire pour élèves nouveaux arrivants aims at informing foreign pupils about the Luxembourgish education system and any planned supporting measures. When you move out, you must just give your new address to your employer as soon as possible. As an employee, you are entitled to a 2-day special leave to move out, once every 3 years. You must present a supporting document to your employer. When you move to another country or to another city in Luxembourg, make sure you continue to receive your mail and prevent your mail from falling into the wrong hands. To set up mail redirection, it is necessary to get in touch with the PNT Luxembourg. You can request mail redirection online by going to your local post office or speaking to your postman. It is important to request mail redirection no later than 3 working days before the date you want to start receiving your mail to your new address. You can request mail redirection for 7-day period minimum or 4-year maximum. In Luxembourg, there are many removal companies. They take care of packaging material, packaging, dismantling, reassembling, and paperwork. Most of them help you to move out to another city in Luxembourg or to another country. You can rent moving trucks and move out on your own. It is possible to apply for a public space permit to move out more easily. In Luxembourg City, you can apply for a public space permit directly online, no later than 5 working days before moving out. No parking signs must be posted 24 hours before the date written down on the public space permit. Applying for a public space permit is not free of charge. It depends on the machines and the area. Residents of other Luxembourgish cities are requested to speak to the Service des Transports of their commune of residence. As you just moved to Luxembourg, you must declare your arrival to your commune of residence within 8 days upon arrival. Note that non-European Union nationals have only 3 days to declare their arrival. If you hold a car, the Société Nationale de Circulation Automobile must write down your new address on the registration certificate within a month after moving out. You can apply for a specific parking permit to your commune of residence. It allows free parking in your neighborhood. You must declare your dog to your commune of residence. As a Luxembourgish resident, you must renew your ID card when you move out. Your new address must be updated indeed.